Okay, let's go ahead and look at number 11. So we're still simplifying, but if you look inside my two parentheses, there's not any symbol, which tells me that we are going to be multiplying. So when we multiply, we're going to do a 2 by 2. So we're going to go ahead and draw our box. We need to make sure that we do the 2x plus 5 together on one side and the 3x minus 4 together on the other side. So let's go ahead and let's multiply. 3 times 2 gives me 6. Now this is an x to the first and an x to the first. So an x to the first plus an x to the first gives me an x squared. So if you notice there, we multiplied our coefficients and we added our exponents. So now 3 times 5 gives me 15. This 5 does not have an x on it, but that 3 does, so I need to bring the x to the first down. Negative 4 times 2 gives me negative 8. That negative 4 didn't have an x on it, but that 2 does, so I need to bring it with us. And then that negative 4 times 5 gives me negative 20. So now once I've filled in my boxes, I need to combine like terms. Well, this 6x squared, there's not another x squared, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring it down. This 15 and this negative 8 both have an x to the first on it. So we need to go ahead and we need to do 15 plus negative 8, which gives me 7. So I'm going to say plus 7x because they both just have an x on it. And then this negative 20 is the only number that doesn't have a variable. So I'm just going to go ahead and bring it down. And that is my final answer. Okay, let's go ahead and practice these on your own. Go ahead and try number 1. Go ahead and try number 2. And go ahead and try number 3.